Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Pool Saw here, and welcome to another vlog. So, yeah, got some stuff to say. So, just so you know, if you guys don't already know, I am a little sick. So, I had like a sore throat, and I've been coughing, and I've been sneezing, which is why I keep sniffling. So, yeah, today I'm gonna be going to the doctor at like 5:30. Right now, the time is 12 o'clock, so I still got enough time to play some Call of Duty, I guess. So, yeah, and this morning I already got done recording 3 videos for the new LP I'm doing, which is Grand Theft Auto 4. So, yeah, and also, another thing, remember when I said that Oblivion War's laptop broke and he quit YouTube? Well, he didn't quit YouTube. It turns out that he's just going to be using his brother's laptop to record. Then when he said that, I'm like, dude, what the fuck? Like, on Monday, I didn't want to, like, play with him because, like, I knew that, like, he wouldn't be able to record. So then, like, he's like, sorry. So, yeah. Well, that's all I got to say for now. I'm going to be playing some Call of Duty because I feel like playing it right now. I don't know if I should do another challenges for Black Ops 2 combat training. I don't know if I should or not. So, yeah. Yeah. Guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe if you want to see videos similar to this one. See you.